Today we are going to discuss about the second part of the Two Gentlemen of Verona. The first part we had discussed about the two gentlemen of Verona, the two boys Niccolo and Jacopo, how they had suffered, how they had sacrificed their life and how much love they have for their sister and how the author helped them. Today let us continue the part which we had left the previous part. So, up to they had worked hard, they did several jobs and one day they had asked the help from the Arthur to drop them to the place, Polito. So, now when the Arthur parked his car, what happened? The two boys, they are jumped from the car, they leaped from the car and they went inside the room. So, we will continue the next. We shall not be long, sir, perhaps only an hour. After leaping from the car, they had said they are not going to stay there for long time, they are going to be there only for half an hour. Maybe you didn't like to go to the cafe in the village for a drink. They are asking the Arthur to go and have a cafe, have a drink at the cafe. They disappeared beyond the corner of the wall. Immediately they disappeared. They are not at that place. They went away. After a few minutes I followed. I found a grilled side entrance and determinedly rang the bell. So, after a few minutes the Arthur followed the boys where they went. After following them for the few minutes, the Arthur found a grilled side entrance. There is an entrance which is locked with a grill and determined to rang the bell. He decided to rang the bell there. A pleasant looking woman with a steel rimmed spectacle appeared. A woman is appearing there. How she appeared? What is her appearance? She had weared the steel rimmed spectacles. The spectacles was rimmed with steel frame. I blinked as I saw that she was dressed in a white uniform of the trained nurse. How the woman was, she is wearing a white uniform. How the nurses are wearing, likewise she is wearing the white uniform with a steel rimmed spectacles. I just bought two boys here. Arthur said to the lady that he had brought two boys. Yeah, yes, the woman replied. Her face lit up. She opened the door to admit me. Niccolo and Jacopo, I will take you up. She is asking. Yes, she lift up her face. She is seeing the Arthur face and allowing the Arthur to get into the room. She is replying, yes, the boy, those who came, who is Niccolo and Jacopo, I will take you to them, she is telling. So, now what happened? The woman is allowing the Arthur to meet Niccolo and Jacopo. She led me through the cool tiled vestibule into the hospital. Vestibule means lobby, that is a hall. She is allowing the Arthur to enter into the room through hospital through the hall. For the hospital the villa had become. The hospital is a single hospital, there is no other rooms are there. At the door of the little cubicle the nurse paused, but her fingers to her lip and she smile bade me look through the glass partitions. There is a partition between the patient and the you have to see that is divided into so many cabins. From that cabin, the glass cabin, the Arthur saw the two boys were sitting at the bedside of the girl of 20. What is the age of the girl? She is 20 years. What is the age of the Niccolo? 13. What is the age of the Jacopo? He is 12. So, the girl who is beside the girl who is laying on the bed, her age seems to be 20 years. Propped up on the pillow, she is sitting, she is balancing on the pillow and she is sitting. Wearing the pretty lace jacket and was listening to their chatter, her eyes was soft and tender. One could see at the glance of her resemblance of her brothers. So, when seeing the girl, her dress is very soft and she had weared a pretty lace jacket. They both are chatting. How their eyes are? Her eyes are pale. Pale means it is not soft and tender. It means it is very pale. It seems to be she is sick. She is under some treatment. One could see at the glance, while seeing at the first sight itself, we can say they have the resemble. Resemble means there is a similarity between the brothers. By seeing her face itself, we can say these two boys belongs to that girl brother. The vase was wild flowers stood on the table beside the dish of the fruit and the several books. So, there is a vase, the flower vase is there with the wild flowers. Wild flowers means the flowers which grow on the forest in a big size. Such flowers are there in the vase beside her table, and there is a dish of fruits and several books. Beside her table there is some fruits are there as well as some books are there, several books are there, so many books are there. Won't you go in? The nurse murmured. Lucia will be pleased to see you. She is asking, are you not going inside? The nurse is asking to the Arthur. What is the name of the sister of Nicola and Jacopo? Lucia. Okay, Lucia. If Lucia see you, she may feel very happy, pleased to see you. She may feel very happy to see you. I shook my head and turned away. Simply Arthur nodding his head. He shook his head and he turned away. I felt I could not bear to intrude upon his happy family party, but at the foot of the staircase I drew up and begged her to tell me all she know about these boys. So, he do not want to interpret, he is a gentleman. So, he do not want to enter into the happy family party. So, he is standing aside and he asked the nurse to convey whatever the matter she know about these boys. She explained, eager to do so. She is explaining them. They were, she explained, quite alone in the world. She is telling they are alone, no one is there with them, they are quite alone. Except for this sister Lucia, they have only Lucia, sister is there among these two boys. Their father is a widower, they do not have mother, only they have a father. A well known singer, what his father is? Father is a well known singer, had been killed in the early part of the war. His father was killed in the early part of the war. Shortly forwarded, a bomb had destroyed their home and thrown the 3 children into the street. See how pathetic they are. They had lost their mother and they had lost their father, as well as the bomb had destroyed their home, and this automatically these 3 children come into the street. That is, no one is there to take care. They had always known a comfortable and cultured life. Lucia had herself been trained as a singer, and they have suffered horribly from the nearly starvation exposure of the cold wind. What is meant by starvation? See, these 3 children, they came out, they had no parents, they had no home, they had nothing, they become all alone in the world. Even they lead their life in a comfortable life. Even Lucia was trained herself being trained, she is training as a singer, and now they have suffered horribly. There is no word to explain how much they had suffered. See, they from nearly starvation. Starvation means people they are living, dying without food. That is called starvation. Pasiyala sagrad. So, they are living near starvation. And exposure of the cold wind, how the climate is cold wind, you have to imagine they have no home where they will stay. See, from months they had barely kept themselves alive in the short of the shelter they built with their own hands amidst the rubble. Then for the 3 years the German ruled the city. The boys grew to hate the Germans. See what happened? For the months they had barely kept themselves alive in the short of the shelter. So, they are suffering for the shelter, they do not have a shelter. So, what happened? They built by themselves with their own hand by keeping their rubles. Rubles means simply the broken bricks, the broken stones, that we called as a rubles. By placing that rubles by their own, they are create a shelter. Then what happened? For the 3 years the Germans started to rule. These boys, the hatred among the German started growing more among with the boys. When the resistance movement began secretly to form, they were among the first to join. So, resistant movements means we are able to oppose them, we can able to we can able to oppose the people, and we can able to live with that struggle, and we have the resistance to face everything. So, they had started to join the resistant movement, they can able to suffer. They develop the ability to suffer. So, when the war was over, they had peace at the last. So, after 3 years the war was over, the people have started living in a peaceful way. They came back to their beloved sister. Who came back? The boys with the sister. They went to the nurse, the hospital, and they found herself suffering from the tuberculosis of spine. So, she was attacked by TB. She paused, took a quiet breath. The nurse is waiting for a minute. Then she had taken a breath. Did they give up? She is asking whether they had leave that. No. I do not have to answer that question. They do not want to answer the question. They began her here, pursued as to take her into the hospital. They are asking to admit her for the hospital. In the 12 months she has been our patient, she has made good progress. For the past 1 year, 12 months she is admitted in the hospital, but now she have a good progress. There is a development, improvement in the medical treatment. There is every hope that one day she will walk and sing again. There is a hope that definitely she will wake up and she walk like us, and she will become a singer. Of course, everything is so difficult now. Food is so scarce and dear. We could not keep going unless we charge a fees. So, this nurse is explaining. Of course, we know, even though they are struggling lot, it is very difficult for them. Even there is no food, the scarcity, there is a scarce of food so scarce and dear, it means there is no insufficient food. The food is not sufficient to all the people. So, because of providing food and the treatment, they are charging fees. But every week brothers, they are coming and paying their payment, they are paying the bill of the hospital. She added simply, I do not know what they do. But the nurse is replying immediately, these boys are coming every week and paying the money, but she do not know how they are paying. The work is scarce in Verona. Even in Verona, the opportunity of the job opportunity is very less, very scarce. There is insufficient jobs for the people. But whatever it is, I know they do it well. Whatever may be, they are doing well and they are bringing money at every week. Yes, I agree. They can't do it better. Yes, they can't able to do better than this. Even it is sufficient for them. I waited outside until the boys rejoined me. So, the author went hearing all the story, and he went out and he is waiting for the boys to come and rejoin with him. Then drew them back to the city. So, he is dropped them to the city. They sat beside me, not speaking for my part. I did not say a word. I know they would prefer to feel that they had safely kept their secret. So, the boys, they after coming from after leaving from the sister, they come and sit with the Arthur, and they are traveling in the car. They had not even spoken a single word to them. They are thinking that they had kept their own secret in there with them. Yet their devotion had touched me deeply. See how these two boys, how they are suffering, how they are dedicating, and what is the devotion towards saving the life of their sister, and how much love they have, how much responsibility we may have. We can understand from this the activity of the boy. The author is feeling that their devotion touched the author's heart very deeply. War had not broken their spirit. Their selfish action brought a new nobility to the human life, gave promise to the greater hope for the human society. See, only the war had made their parents to lose their house, they may lose their property, but the spirit in them, the confidence, the willingness in them had not broken by any war. The selfless action, they are not selfish. They are not selfish of thinking of their own life. They are selfless. They have a responsibility, they are taking care of the sister. So, this selfless action brought a new nobility to the noble quality to the human life. How they small, even they are so young, even they have not that much courage, even they are working hard by their hard work, how they are saving the life of their sister. See, this attitude gave a new promise, and it has given a greater hope to the whole humanity. See how these peoples are helping for their sister. Thank you.